I wanted to take a moment to talk about a change in the market that's affecting all of us. The sudden increase in PET resin prices that started in September. It's been a noticeable shift, and it's tied not to supply or demand, but to new tariffs that went into effect on September 8th. These tariffs apply to imported PET resin, including recycled PET or rPET, and they're part of new reciprocal trade measures introduced by the US government. Depending on where the resin comes from, importers are now paying 15 to 25% more. That includes countries like India, Taiwan, Japan, and Vietnam. What's important to understand is that the underlying PET market hasn't changed dramatically. In fact, domestic PET resin prices were down earlier this year. So this spike isn't about materials running short or production slowing down. It's a policy-driven cost increase that reshapes how resin moves through the supply chain. Not every supplier is affected equally. Some work with domestic sources or countries not impacted by the new tariffs, while others rely on the regions now seeing the largest increases. That difference will create uneven pricing pressure across the market. One of the biggest concerns right now is sustainability. Because these tariffs also apply to recycled resin, the cost of using rPET could rise, potentially making virgin resin more competitive. That's an industry-wide challenge and something we'll need to watch carefully as we continue to grow our sustainable packaging portfolio. So what does this mean for us? It's a reminder that the market can change quickly. The best thing we can do is stay informed, keep close communication with our suppliers, and model how these costs could affect our materials and pricing in the months ahead. We'll continue to take a measured approach with smart, strategic adjustments as needed. We understand that market shifts can create a sense of uncertainty. But here's the thing about uncertainty. It always gives way to clarity. Markets adjust, suppliers adapt, and businesses find their footing. Right now, our focus remains on transparency, consistent communication, and upholding the high standards our customers expect. Thanks for taking the time to stay up to date. To learn more, check out the link in the video description.